morning, it's Fran and this is Fran Toku Demo. And today we're going to do is Kamen Rider Z DX Rider Capsule Set 02. So here's the box, and we got here is the capsules, and also include is Kamen Rider Z S-Prime Recovery. And on the back we got everything that you want to know about it. On the top we got the capsules. On the other side, the capsules and the forms, and on the other side, we got the content, and most of all is the warning choking hazard. So with no further ado, let the mission begin. First we have here is the projection capsule. So this is the second of the Technolum enhancement form. So this had a blue in color, and inside we got Zest duplicating himself. So now let's bring back Z's driver, and let's take it for a spin. Henshin. Okay, so now we transform into Technolum projection. So in this form, Zets can control the light, and he can also create portals, and the most important, he can clone himself, so he can battle too many he got. So now we go for the finisher. Okay, so now for the second. And now for some info. Now we have here is the recovery capsule. So this can access to his third form. So this had a emerald green in color, and inside we got Zest performing a healing move. And now let's take it for a spin again. Henshin. Okay, so now we transform into S-Prime Recovery. So in this form, Zets has the ability to restore broken object and to heal the wounds of the injured. But there's a downside because he can't unable to heal himself, which is kinda bad. So now let's do the finisher. Okay, so for the second. For the info. Next we have here is the code capsule, which is a featured one. So this had a black in color, and inside we got a black cat running. So why black cat? Because according to the logo of code, there is an outline of a cat. So now let's run it again to the driver. Okay, nothing special. You just say charge and says good night rider. So now for the finisher. Okay, so for the second one. Now for the info. And that's it for the DX Rider Captain Set 02. So thanks for watching, and until the next demo, mission over. Ciao.